What if you could predict stock market trends before they actually happen? What if planetary movements could tell you when to invest and when to avoid the market? Well, the truth is, astrology has been used for centuries to understand the financial cycles. Now, in this video, I am revealing how Saturn, Jupiter, and Mercury transit in 2025, this current year, will impact the Indian stock market, and how you can use these insights to make smart investment decisions. Correct? So, we'll start with how Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, because these three planets are very important for the stock markets. So we'll understand how this Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury will affect the stock market in 2025. So let's break down the big planetary movements of 2025 and how they will impact the different market sectors. So we will start with the Saturn transit into Pisces sign, Meena Rashi, and it is going to happen around March 29, 29th of March 2025. So we understand the influence first. So Saturn in Pisces brings slow growth, stability and regulations. So the market impact we can expect good for the healthcare, pharmaceutical and insurance sectors, correct? And we need to be very careful doing speculative stocks, high risk sectors. So this is the result for the Saturn transit in the Pisces. Now for the investment tip, focus on long-term stocks with strong fundamentals. Avoid quick speculations. So now we'll discuss the Jupiter transit into Gemini, which is going to happen 14th of May 2025. So Jupiter in Gemini actually boosts the technology, banking and media industry, correct? And if you want to understand the market impact, so it is good for IT stocks, digital marketing, correct, banking and financial sectors. So now this particular transit is very risky for the overvalued stocks. We can expect corrections in those kind of stocks. We need to be very careful. The investment tip for this particular transit is we should look for the growth stocks in IT and banking, correct? So next transit is Jupiter transit into Cancer, which is going to happen around 18th of October 2025. So Jupiter in Cancer sign actually supports the real estate, infrastructure and agriculture sector. So the market impact is good for the housing sector, cement and FMCG products, correct? And we need to be very careful, especially during interest rate fluctuations, because interest rate fluctuation can create good volatility during this transit. So we need to be very careful. Now investment tip for this particular transit is we should consider real estate investments, REITs and infrastructure stocks, correct? Now for the Mercury transit, so Mercury's multiple transit and retrograde is happening throughout the 2025. So we will discuss this one by one. So Mercury affect market volatility, short-term trading and communication sectors. These are the major keywords we need to be remember when we use Mercury transit. So some key dates to watch for is the Mercury retrograde that is going to happen in April, August and November. We can expect high volatility during this month. So best trading periods during Mercury retrogrades are Mercury in direct motion supports stability. So if we need volatility, high volatility, then April, August and November months are the good for the high volatility. So investment tips, especially for the Mercury, April, August and November month, we should avoid making big trades during retrograde. Always remember, trade carefully in forex and short-term markets. So now I will give you some predictions, according to my understanding. So based on the planetary movements, here is my prediction for the Indian stock market, for 2025. So mid 2025 we can expect bull run, as Jupiter enters into Gemini. IT and banking sectors will perform well. First point. Second, stock market correction we can expect during late 2025. So due to Saturn's strong influence in the Pisces sign, a slow moving market phase will be likely, correct? and high volatility during Mercury retrogrades. Trade should exercise carefully in April, August and November month. So now let's talk about how you can invest wisely during 2025 using astrology. Correct. Long term, for the long term investment, I will start with the long term investment first. So for long term investment, focus on stable sectors like healthcare, banking and real estate. We should avoid highly speculative penny stocks. Okay, so now for the short term traders, trade only in stable Mercury periods. Avoid retrograde, okay, motions of the Mercury, and I already given you the specific month. Okay, other than this, stable, you can go for the short term trade for stable Mercury periods. We should use stop loss orders to avoid big losses during volatile times. And what are those volatile times? I have given you 3 months. Okay, you have to follow this stop loss rule very strictly during those volatile times. Now don't put all your money in one sector. Okay, spread across healthcare, IT and infrastructure. So I hope this video is clear to all. I have given the quick predictions, short predictions. I will come up with more videos, okay, with more analysis. So like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more astrological based stock market insights, okay, from our channel. You can also comment below which sectors are you investing in 2025, and I will try to do assessment for that particular sector. Thank you.